What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another day trade recap. Today is gonna be slightly in red, although to be fair, to be honest with you, I didn't follow one of my rules, and so although I am happy that the red day it's less than it was before. I did not stop after my third red trade, which I am not really proud of. Before we are going to jump into the recaps, subscribe to my channel if you are new for more content to come, and let's dive into the recap. So the first trade was in Macy's. I wanted after the first move down, the pullback. I wanted to short the 18.8 area here, which I did. The initial target was 18.6. Really, I was having the stop not at 1904, but rather at 19. Uh, 19 essentially. So I once we had this spike down and then got rejected, I was taken out from this trade over here. My second trade was in Tesla. Tesla, I did short the 74270 area this morning, risking essentially $2 on this trade, risking the high of this candle. So, and first target was just prior the low of the day. So I took first partial here. Second partial would have been just so you know over here, which I kind of failed to take the second partial in that time, even because it was too fast. It really spiked too fast, so I didn't had a chance to take the partial there. Was hoping for a more downward movement on this trade. Instead, I was essentially kept the stop at the initial stop loss level around 744.80 area over here. So I was taken out from this can. I did add another trade in Tesla. I did short the break of 749.5, stop loss at 752.5 with initial target 746.5. So again, risking $3 on this trade. So took a quick partial over here at 746 5 when we touched. I wanted to be quick on this trade, so when we touched the 746.5, I did throw my first partial, kept the stop again on the as initial stop here at 752.5, and I was taken out from this candle. I was hoping really that this movement down will continue. Having the view up here made me feel good, in a sense that having the stop loss here and the view up there, I kind of said at least I have some resistance from the view up. It for me, this the stop was in a really good position at that time. Apple has been a bummer today for me. I did had two losing trade in Apple, and essentially, I had supposed to stop trading after my second losing trade in Apple, but the first trade was on short of the 146 area over here. Partial was really 145.7, and we didn't reach the target for 8 cents on the on this trade. We went back towards the VWAP and decided on this movement down. Since we had rejected the VWAP, I decided, and the market in that time was also coming down. Decided to re-enter at this 146 area. But I think to be honest, what I think I have done wrong on this trade, it's really the stop loss. Stop loss, I did put a stop loss at 146.5. I thought that the this 146.30 would have acted as a resistance if we would have moved up, but we actually took it and we went back to the VWAP before we continued movement down. So I was better off to have the stop loss at 146.70 perhaps, just above this spike. That's one learning point essentially. But yeah, first trade I was taken out at 146.30 essentially, and the second trade I was taken out at 146.5. So in that time I was down $110 more or less, uh, but decided to have another trade. Although again, I'm reiterating the fact that I should not have done that. Decided to take another trade, shorted the 445.3 in Costco, and risking essentially the 446.5, which in a sense I also in that time I also misinterpreted that number. So I thought that I was risking less rather than risking more than $1. Fill in Costco was 445.09 essentially. So once I realized that I was kind of I was kind of over leverage in this trade. I took quickly off some, so I took 75% of my position off at 144.55. Got the last got another partial here at 443.38, and then I decided to trail the stop. Decided to put the stop at 443, which essentially seems like to have been a very bad idea. If I would have kept the stop at break even, or moved the stop at break even by this time with only 6 shares remaining, one for 443, for 3 to 1, for 433, I was going to be in green essentially on this one. As we have covered the Tesla trade already, that's essentially the last trade I have to cover today. Again, Apple was a bummer. Had the two losing trade there. Costco has been good, although I could have capitalized more on this trade. And Tesla, it took me out both of times on the last position. So have made much on this trade. Macy's was okay trade, although was a losing trade. Yes, I have not followed the one on my rule, and that's today something that I need to reflect on. Really, I didn't want to close another day in red, or at least I didn't want to close another day in that kind of red on the 100 side. Um, Recognizing it's not correct what I have done, but in the same time, I'm happy. Although I'm finishing red, I'm happy to finish this day with minus $14, uh, and essentially not going to touch any more buttons for today. I feel already blessed to have bring down my losing day to this kind of money. So uh, I'm not gonna overstate my welcome to the market today, but rather walk out and come back tomorrow with a new mindset. Appreciate you guys watching this video. If you do, let me know how you have done today. How was your day? What you have traded? Perhaps what do you think I could have done better? But until next time, I wish you a lovely day. Peace.